Hello and welcome to Tranquil Transmusions, where we bring you a natural environment, got some mountain runoff and a wonderful river. Just bringing that natural energy to you, and bring it in two different ways. One where like you're just kind of openly accepting of like bringing that energy in, it's coming in, flooding with that nature. And then another one is kind of like maybe have some resistance and you're pushing away, because we kind of go through this place of like being in resistance and being in acceptance, being in resistance. We flow through two, and this way we can get that energy to you wherever you happen to be in this like kind of a meditation, so to speak, or just going through life. We're gonna bring new information to you, so just sit back, enjoy, let it come in or resist it, whichever, and bring it to whatever limitation you want to summit. So let's jump into it. All right, hopefully you enjoyed bringing some of that nature into your life. And until we talk again, have a blessed day or a blessed night.